Hi, my name is Brittany Tate and I'm the Education Coordinator for the Choctawhatchee Basin Alliance. Today I am going to be talking with two students from Walker Elementary about the Grasses and Classes program that we offer at Walker Elementary School. We do a hands-on, place-based science education program called Grasses and Classes with third graders at Walker Elementary School. And what they do is they plant salt marsh nursery plants called Spartina alterniflora or smooth cordgrass. And I want to know, do you guys remember what the importance of the grasses are that we plant?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
One of the importance is they prevent erosion, and they also prevent pollution from getting into the ocean.
Right, and they grow along the shoreline of the Choctawhatchee Bay, right?
Exactly.
And what else do? They do something
They
very
help.
important.
They help habitats for animals that live in the water, and also to help animals above water as well.
Right, so three things that they learn all year through a hands-on lesson is that the plants help to prevent erosion with their roots. They help to filter stormwater runoff, and they also help to provide a habitat for intertidal species in the Choctawhatchee Bay. So every month, in partnership with AmeriCorps, we bring in hands-on lessons into the classrooms of the third grade students, and they learn about everything from pitcher plants to live fish that we bring in, and they also get to dissect the Spartina alterniflora they grew. So do you guys have a favorite lesson that you participated in this year or last year?
Yes. My favorite lesson was when we went to the Choctawhatchee Bay and planted the Spartina alterniflora. I thought it was very fun, and I love science, and I love getting an education in, and it's just really fun. And when we're doing the projects, we're learning, but we're also having a lot of fun. It's not just strict science.
Right.
My favorite experiment was when we got to dissect the Spartina alterniflora, or smooth cordgrass. I got to see the seeds, how it would grow, the roots, and so on.
Right. That's great. So like Ivan mentioned, every month they get a hands-on lesson, and then in May we take the students on a field trip to a restoration site along Choctawhatchee Bay. And that's when they get to plant the smooth cordgrass they've been growing all year long. So tell me a little bit about the field trip and what was your favorite part about the experience?
Well, my favorite part about the experience was the different stations we went to. They weren't all the same thing, but they were all the same thing related to science, and they were just really educational and fun. And the way we do them is we'll rotate from place to place going through. One of my favorites was when we went to the sand place, like a sandbox in the middle of the water, and we got nets and we started looking for fish. And if we caught something, we would show it, and then we release it back in. We wouldn't keep it because it's fish and they belong in the wild, in the ocean.
Right.
Jake?
My favorite part was the experience that we got to be outside with nature. Not much kids get to be outside with nature.
Right.
Because of all the video games kids want to play now.
Right.
Exactly.
Definitely.
So Walker is one of 15 schools that we implement Grasses and Classes in throughout Okaloosa County. So I wanted to know how you guys feel about learning about science in our local environment through this program.
I feel that it's really fun, and I like the hands-on projects because it's not just reading a textbook in a classroom, it's getting out and experiencing your science. And science is really fun, and not many people get to do things like this, so it's a really great opportunity to be able to go and do things with hands-on projects, especially when we go to the field trip in March and all the other great things that we do in this project.
I'm just gonna say it's a once in a lifetime experience to go outside, be with nature. You do it every day, but not as well as you guys teach us.
Exactly.
Well, that's great, because one of the main goals of Grasses and Classes and working with the students is to provide an opportunity for students to be an active participant in the restoration of the Choctawhatchee Bay and to become stewards of the environment, because ultimately it's going to be your your bay and your environment to protect and to be a part of. So has this changed your ideas on what you might want to be when you grow up, or how has it impacted your view on science?
It has changed my idea of what I would like to grow up to be a little bit. I'm very interested in marine biology, and it's a very fun science. And it's just, I love learning science, and it's really fun. Jake?
It has changed me a lot of how you guys have taught me. I really want, instead of being a inside creator, I want to go outside and explore.
Great. Well, I'm so excited that you guys were able to experience grasses in classes, and now that we're into our second year with Walker Elementary, I'm excited to see how the fourth graders and the third graders grow and with their understanding of their local environment. Is there anything else you would like to share about grasses in classes and your experience?
It would be an honor to work with you guys if you were still in the business.
That's great to hear. We're actually looking to expand our education into middle schools through Dunes in Schools program. So hopefully in a few years when you're in middle school, you'll actually get to continue to work with us, and then maybe later on.
That sounds great, and I do agree with Jake. It would be an honor to work with you guys. You guys just teach us really good, and it's really fun the way you teach us. You give us hands-on projects, and you do it really fun, and it's just a fun way to learn science. And some people may not be sure about this, but take it from us, it's really fun.
It is also, like I said before, once-in-a-lifetime experience.
Exactly. Take it from us, guys.
See you later.
Well, thank you for joining us with this segment about grasses in classes and the experience at Walker Elementary. If you stay tuned, we'll be right back with another segment about our programs at Walker Elementary.
Thank you for watching.